I want to deliver this pizza using a drone. Not this, a self-flying drone.
I became a Zomato delivery guy for a day. It was a really great experience working for Zomato, but after waiting for hours in traffic and struggling to find houses of some underworld agents, I realized how hard our delivery boys work, and I was like, kuch to karna padega.
But why a drone? Because it's fast!
Using my experience with drones, I decided to build my own autonomous drone. I built the frame and programmed it to make it pilotless. After a few crashes and repairs, my drone can now fly on its own without a pilot. I also made a dropping mechanism to drop the pizza, and we were all set for our mission. I received an order from Pizza Hut, and after collecting it, I quickly reached to an open place where we loaded the pizza into the drone. The delivery location was around 1.5 kilometers away. I uploaded the delivery path into the drone so that it should drop the pizza exactly inside the compound. The drone now takes off with the pizza and starts its pilotless flight. I fly another drone above it to follow and record the delivery.
Hello, ma'am, your Zomato order has arrived. Can you come towards the gate?
I am coming.
Ma'am, can you look up? You can see your pizza being delivered by the drone.
Yeah, wow, it's coming. Yeah, I can see here.
Yes, please collect it once it drops it, okay?
Okay.
The pizza
Thank
is
you.
hot and perfect to its owner, and that too very fast.